Hey guys, welcome back to the DelftStack, and today I'm gonna show you how to save a drive on Waze. So guys, I will show you some practical tips in order for you to proceed with this process. So follow along. First, open up the Waze application into your device, and now over here on the Waze, of course, make sure to turn on your location to proceed with the app. Now, to save a drive on Waze, select the three lines on the top left corner of the screen. Now, over here, as you can see, you will have a option plan a drive. So tap on plan a drive, and from here you can connect your calendar as well if you want to be more detailed. But if you just want to save a simple drive, select the plus icon down below, and from here select saved places, and from here you will have option add a place, and of course from here just simply provide the location that you will prefer. For example, I will provide this location. I'm gonna tap on it, and from here I'm gonna give it a name and tap on done. Right after that, when you go to the home page, as you can see, you will have the save options over here. Just simply go ahead and tap on it, and from here automatically it will redirect you to that location, and you should be able to save a drive on Waze every time you provide that location. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.